Anong direksyon yung tinatahak mo ngayon? This is a collective reading. So, anytime na mapanood mo to, as long as makaka-resonate ka, this reading is for you. Hindi kailangan ng mga zodiac signs dito as long as magre-resonate ka. But for confirmation, we will see kung ano yung mga stronger signs. But of course, this is a general reading. Pwede kang makarelate, pwedeng hindi. Just take what resonates. And another reminder, hindi po ako unang magme-message sa inyo or ipa-follow kayo para mag-offer ng mga services. Meron pong mga scammers, no? Lalo na sa TikTok. Mag-ingat kayo doon kasi nagpapanggap na Mr. Queen PH tapos i-message yung mga viewers, yung mga nagko-comments to offer yung mga kung ano-anong services, tapos magsascam lang sila. So, be very careful. Ingat po kayo doon. I-block nyo po yung mga yon. I-block nyo yan. Ito lang po yung account ko, at Mystic Queen PH. At kung gusto nyo ng private reading, meron tayong information dyan. Hanapin nyo na lang. Pwedeng nasa comment section or i-message nyo ako. Kaya lang sa ngayon kasi, fully book na yung January 2026 na schedule natin. So, abang-abang na lang kayo, ha? Yung mga gusto ng private readings. Okay, ano yung direksyon na tinatahak mo ngayon? Lalo na dun sa mga nalilito. Nalilito. Tingnan natin. Ano yung direksyon na tinatahak ng collective? What is the direction? So, ito, magre-resonate sa inyo sa una pa lang. Malalaman nyo na agad na para sa inyo yung reading na to. Ano yung mga stronger signs? So, we have Libra, Scorpio, and Capricorn. Ayan, Libra, Scorpio, Capricorn. It doesn't have to be, pwedeng yung iba lang na gusto nyo ng confirmation, but it doesn't matter, no? Ano yung direksyon na tinatahak mo ngayon? Ang direksyon na tinatahak mo ngayon is about teaching and learning. So, yung iba sa inyo, may mga pag-aaral na gagawin. Pwede itong pagpasok sa school, formal school, informal school, pwedeng self-study, online learning, or sarili mong research, no? So, yung iba sa inyo, maaring meron kayong abilidad na magturo, mag-share ng knowledge and skills ninyo, lalo na kung kayo ay may mga expertise. Ayan. So, yung iba na gustong maging yung mga teacher, ganyan, trainer, coach, mentor, ayan. Oh my God! Follow your dreams daw. Follow your dreams. Alam niyo ang number 8, this is about abundance, infinity. Ibig sabihin yan, maraming potential, no? Infinite potentials and opportunities. And number 5 is you breaking free from the system. So, kumbaga, may mga naging limitasyon ka before, pero ngayon, you are going to break free from that limitation. Kasi, if follow mo na talaga yung pangarap mo, yung mga gusto mo, wala nang makakahadlang sa'yo. O, diba? May synchronicity. Oh my God. Yung iba sa inyo, mapapanood nyo talaga to sa tamang panahon na kailangan yung malaman. So, that is part of the synchronicity. Merong double 8, merong double 7, merong double 5. Oh my God, you see that? 558877. Ayan yung mga numbers na maaring importante sa inyo. Na sign nyo na rin that you are aligned. You are aligned to your destiny. Anong direksyon ang tinatahak ng collective? I am having goosebumps. Okay, sustainability, 6th house. Some of you, this is about related sa career path ninyo, trabaho ninyo, your everyday routine. I think whatever this is na tinatahak mo, meron tong sustainability, merong stability. This can be a career that you are focusing on. Pwede rin itong yung goal mo, lalo na sa kalusugan mo. Ina-align mo talaga yung sarili mo. Yung iba sa inyo, meron na kayong disiplina sa sarili ninyo. You also have 11th house, which is about community. Napaka-importante rin ng mga taong nakakasama nyo, yung mga grupo na sinasalihan nyo, na meron kayong support system, no? Kasi para yun din yung magbibigay sa inyo ng push, yun yung magbibigay sa inyo ng lakas, no? Ng inspiration para tuparin yung mga goals nyo, yung mga pangarap ninyo. Ayan, no? Some of you, yung landas na tinatahak nyo is about being known, kilala ng isang komunidad, ng isang grupo, or area of expertise ninyo, yung field of work ninyo, yung field na or career that you are focusing on. You also have Chiron, so this is about healing. Importante rin na hinihil natin yung energy ng past, yung trauma, especially yung mga healing our inner child, kasi ang Chiron is wounded child energy to na hindi natin na ipoproject sa iba yung mga unhealed wounds natin. You also have energy ng Capricorn, which is achieving something solid, something stable, and it's like a legacy. Yung iba sa inyo, yung direction na tinatahak nyo is magkaroon ng legacy na ito yung may iwan ninyo pagdating ng panahon, na you are someone na merong ambag, malaking ambag sa community, sa mga sa trabaho or sa career path ninyo, na meron kayong certain influence na ginamit nyo yung impluensya nyo ng mabuti para sa iba. Anong direksyon ang tinatahak ng collective? You have the Death card, which is about transformation. Major change. This is about transforming your life. I feel like meron kang kailangang i-let go rito. Part ng i-let go mo is yung mga trauma mo in the past. Kasi yan yung nagpapabigat sa'yo para makapag-move on and makapag-move forward para sa iyong destiny. You have the Emperor. The Emperor is, this is someone na alam niya kung ano yung gusto niya, someone na merong leadership qualities. So, yung iba sa inyo, like what I mentioned kanina, meron kayong leadership qualities na talagang yan yung, you are meant to lead, you are meant to guide others. You have the Ace of Swords, this is clarity. And also, with the Devil card here, takpan na lang natin kasi baka ma-flag tayo. Ayan, ma-flag tayo ni with the Devil card, this is about yung your ego, and also yung iyong attachment. So minsan kasi ina-attach natin yung sarili natin sa mga bagay na akala natin yun yung magbibigay sa atin ng strength, ng lakas, pero actually hindi. Mas internal yung strength na kailangan nating i-develop, no? Ito kasi yung energy rin ng the Devil is about attachment to the material realm, to the material or mga material na bagay, tangible things. So for you, you are disconnecting from that and more on collaborating and working with other people. So yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong mga taong makakasama, makakasalamuha na kung saan magbibigay rin sa inyo ng mga ambag or parang knowledge and skills wherein magagamit nyo rin yan para makatulong rin sa iba. Ayan. Tinan pa natin. Ano yung direksyon na tinatahak ng collective? You have the Seven of Wands. Seven of Wands is setting boundaries. You're also protecting your energies. Hindi mo hahayaan na ikaw ay i-drain ng ibang tao. You also have this the Seven of Cups. This is about knowing what you really want. Kumbaga yung iba sa inyo, sinasala nyo yung mga taong, parang sinusort ninyo, sinasala ninyo yung mga tao na hayaan yung maging malapit sa inyo, na alam nyo kung ano yung totoong intentions nila, at kung hindi maganda yung intentions nila, you're going to, cut off the connections from them. You also have the Four of Wands. The Four of Wands is about celebration. This is also about achieving your goals and dreams. So, yun yung isa rin sa tinatahak mo, stability, celebrating your success, celebrating yung mga na-achieve mo sa buhay. You also have the Queen of Cups. This is about love for yourself. You know how to take care of yourself. You know how to accept love and give love, no? Let's see. Anong direksyon ang tinatahak ng collective? You have the 7th house, Moon in Leo in the 7th house. Moon in Leo, I feel like pagdating sa relationships, you will be more open. Kumbaga, hindi mo hahadlangan yung emotion mo, yung nararamdaman mo. Mas magiging open ka sa mga taong makakasalamuha mo, especially when it comes to relationships and business partnerships, na you want to highlight what you really want. You want to highlight yung mga goals mo. You want to highlight yung intentions mo sa isang relationship or even sa partnership. Kasi ang 7th house is about one-on-one connection with someone. So with Moon here, this is about your emotions, and Leo energy is to shine. You are shining on your true self, no? So some of you, mas makikilala kayo sa pagiging totoo nyo sa inyong sarili. Okay? So, that is your reading para sa collective. Kung nagustuhan nyo to, comment kayo dyan, follow nyo ako, subscribe kung saan nyo man to napapanood. Thank you so much and bye!